Hi Rachel, this is Michaela. Thank you so much for taking my call today. As mentioned, this is just a quick 5-minute video just showcasing how to get new leads to your website as well as go over your overall online presence, okay? So to start having some background in digital marketing, I can tell you that there are 3 main factors that Google looks for when ranking people on their Google platform. Number 1, and probably the most important for organic ranking up that scale, is going to be content. And content is anywhere actual text shows up on your website. I can see that you guys don't have a ton of content on your site, and just from doing my research for other people who are ranking higher than you right now on a Google search, I would recommend about 1,500 words on your homepage alone. Now, why is this important? I'll give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as the #1 search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content, right? So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds these websites that have good quality content on them and naturally starts moving them up that rank. So that's going to be the biggest factor to get you seen and get you moving automatically. With that said, on every additional page, we usually recommend only one service listed per page, and the reason for that is that's going to allow you to get found for multiple search options as well as add a ton of content to your site. So have one service page for carpet restoration, one for oriental and area rug cleaning, upholstery cleaning. You get the idea. And by doing that, you rank for so many keywords. So anytime someone does an upholstery cleaning Allen, Texas search, you guys are found. Anytime someone does air duct cleaning in Allen, Texas, you guys are found, and so forth. So that allows you to rank for more things as well as getting tons of content onto your site, allowing it impossible for Google to not see you and start ranking you. With that said, I'm going to take you here to AHrefs. This is just a breakdown of how you guys are currently doing on the internet. And this shows me that you guys are only getting about 9 people to click on your website every month. The reason for that is a couple factors, but primarily are those keywords that I talked to you about earlier. Currently, you're primarily ranking for your name alone. So I show about 20 people search that every month, which is what's giving you your 8 people every month coming to your website. But if somebody wasn't searching for you specifically and just wanted to know carpet cleaning Allen, Texas, you guys wouldn't even be showing up as a valid option. So again, getting those good keywords in your text on your website really going to help you in those rankings, okay? Next, I want to draw your attention here to this UR. These 2 numbers are important for a couple reasons. One, Google loves both of these numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. And then, as they get closer to 30, which is typically about the halfway point, it creates some stability on Google. Now, what does that mean? That means if you're on the first page of Google and let's say you're in position 1 or 2, as long as you have a lot of stability, right, you're close to a 1-to-1 ratio and 30 on these 2 numbers, then Google's not going to allow you to move out of your position as easily unless someone gradually outranks you. So having good stability is going to be imperative to keeping a locked position on page 1. So how do we get this UR to go up? This is directly related to citations. So anytime you do a basic Google search for carpet cleaning Allen, Texas, this map shows up. And I would assume that you guys have a GMB. But how do we secure one of these top positions, right? Those are through citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, location, and phone number show up on an online directory. So think Yelp and Yellow Pages, and the more of those you can get, the higher up you're going to go and secure a top position. I do have the ability to see how many citations your competition has to know how many you would need to beat them by to secure a top rank, okay? And I can totally give you that information if that's something you're interested in looking further into. But by doing that, that's going to drive this UR number up drastically. Now to take you up to DR. DR is referring domains and backlinks. Backlinks are anywhere that your business website shows up on a different business's website. So think Angie's List and Home Advisor. Getting good quality trusted backlinks that have a lot of influence on the Google platform already is going to boost this number up because Google loves the influence, okay? So getting good quality referring domains. As you can see, do follow, meaning they're actual links. They actually do work from clicking on the link and going to your website. Out of the 15 domains that you have backlinks coming from, only 5 of them are actually giving you a do follow link. So the more do follows you get, the higher up this DR goes, okay? So again, just to recap, getting good quality citations, moving up that GMB, securing a top spot, driving this UR number up. Getting good backlinks, good trusted backlinks from referring domains is going to throw a lot of influence and drive this DR up. As soon as we get these two numbers close to a 1-to-1 ratio as well as 30, you're going to have a lot of stability. Lastly, get good quality content for your website. 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and then break up every service that you guys offer into a separate page with about 750 words of text per page. So doing that, you're going to be able to rank for different keywords, get found on multiple search platforms, and again, Google's going to see all of this content on your site and naturally move you up that ranking. Well, guys, I hope this was good information. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Just let me know what you thought of this information. I would greatly appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.